Safety Technology International rely on STI. Remove the colored lens. Loosen screws located on either side of the board. Rotate clockwise and invert the board to reveal the battery socket. Insert the 9-volt battery connector into the socket. Connect the 9-volt battery and place into slot provided. Return the board to its previous position and secure with screws. To activate low battery function, flip the S1 dip switch labeled low battery to the on position. Return lens to its previous position. When battery is low, the device will flash and sound. Note, this alert will only happen if the battery is low. Trigger device to test functions.